Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so setup runs smoothly. Make sure your iPhone is updated, and if you plan to track workouts, pair and update your Apple Watch. Sign into iCloud and grant health and fitness permissions now so data flows between devices. Once done, open the fitness app. You'll be prompted to set activity or fitness plus options. Follow on-screen prompts to enter basic details because accurate height, weight, and birthday improve calorie and metric calculations. Now you configure detailed settings to tailor tracking. In the fitness app, tap Summary or your profile to set daily move, exercise, and stand goals. Adjust targets based on current fitness. Make sure health app permissions allow heart rate, GPS, and motion data. These improve precision during runs and cycling. Next, choose units and link apps like Strava or MyFitnessPal if you want centralized logging. Once linked, data syncs automatically. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so sessions upload in real time. Finish by validating the setup with a short test workout so you confirm GPS, heart rate, and calories register correctly. After the session, open Fitness and Health to review recorded metrics and check that Rings update. If something fails, first toggle health and fitness permissions and background refresh, then restart your iPhone and Apple Watch. Repair the watch only if issues persist. This sequence fixes most problems because it refreshes connections and forces the apps to reinitialize data streams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.